3, 2, 1.
Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to another video. I know I look crazy. I know. I am going to transform from this girl to this in. Okay, doesn't work that way. This is probably gonna be a long video. I like to talk a lot in my videos, but today's video I really want to make it simple and to the point. It's been about 2.5 weeks since I straightened my hair, and guys, my scalp is in pain. There's a whole snowflake situation going on, and it doesn't snow in my city. My plan for today's video is to cut my hair, dye my hair, and do my updated curly hair routine. I just want to remind you that we're not cutting a lot of this hair off. Initially I was gonna cut it like this short. When I had my hair straight, people were like convincing me not to cut my hair, and it kind of worked. I'm not easy. Do you see this shirt? Like, it's so cute. It's like what I wear at home. I got the scissors, and they're probably not hair scissors, but what I do like is that it's like super pointy. And then what I'm also going to do is put this newspaper on the floor, and don't forget to hydrate, y'all. Very important. Got the newspaper sorted. Let me show y'all. I have a confession to make. Before I met my fiance, I stopped eating chocolate for like 4 years. Now I'm addicted to chocolate. I love chocolate. I crave chocolate. I want chocolate. And the bad thing about it is when I eat dairy, I break out like crazy. I wasn't a chocolate lover. Okay, I used to love cookies. This is the dye that I got. It comes with a conditioner, a little booklet that I never read, and then we have this colorant, your developer, and fair gloves. We just mix the color developer and the colorant. So we got our little mixture, and I'm going to allow it to sit for like a few seconds just for this to like go down, because when I cut this off it's just gonna explode. I'm going to change because I don't want to ruin this t-shirt. Voila!
This is the time. Look into your eyes. I look into your eyes.
Oh my word. That just hit me out of nowhere.
No longer mine. No, you're no longer mine. The silence was found. And silence was found.
Hey guys, so I am going to just put on a little face before I actually style my hair.
You, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. Let's stay here for a lifetime underneath the moonlight. 'Cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine. In a world so full of pain, can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now. Everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. Always thought of you as someone who can love someone like me, but I was wrong, baby.
Spray bottle, diamond brush, clippers, strictly curls from Marc Anthony, and then I got this leave-in conditioner from King Sis.
Something right, we can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. I believe in you, me, you, me, you, me, you, me, yeah. Taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't deep and live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life.
Let's see what today's message is. God has called us to minister in some way. What is your calling? Some people struggle with trying to decipher their calling. Begin by considering the talents and gifts God has bestowed on you. God gave you these unique talents for a reason, to serve Him. While we will not all be called to preach from a pulpit, we are all called to serve Him faithfully. This may mean volunteering with Vacation Bible School, ministering in the nursery, or helping teach others how to be good stewards of their finances. No matter what your gifts are, allow God to use them to bring Him glory. So this is an app, it's a Bible app. So every day I get like little reminders to read a message or a passage in the Bible, and then they give like a little inspiration. So that's what I read to you all. That was exactly what my prayers were about today. Anyway, let's continue with the hair.
Told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me we'll be on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my. All bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me where we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, passion. We could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
Look.
We could go all night.
I've been calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I knowing your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone. In the presence, I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dress it, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weathered. We fight retreating this, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody's stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean.
Okay guys, so that is it for today's video. If you've enjoyed, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, click that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you are notified every time I post.
I just can't stop thinking about